How to verify Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can verify Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to verify Cash App in order to purchase Bitcoin, what you want to do is go ahead and simply open up the Cash App on your phone. Once you open up Cash App, normally if you want to buy Bitcoin, it'll ask you to verify. But what do we want to verify? We want to verify our identity. Now to do this, you want to just come to the Home tab and then you want to go about simply trying to buy some Bitcoin. So you can tap the Buy Bitcoin option here. And now you can just go ahead and select the option called Get Started. Once you tap on the Get Started option here, you'll have the option called Buy Bitcoin. Tap on it. Enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin for $100. I'll just select that. And then I'll just select the next option. Once I select next, I'll just ask to enter my phone number. So you might want to go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you enter the phone number, it's going to take you to the page where you can verify other details, such as maybe your addresses, your legal documentation, such as your ID card, your passport, or whatever else you can provide. You want to submit them to Cash App and then they will verify your identity. After that, you can successfully purchase Bitcoin. So this way you can verify Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.